last period I have given information about the carbohydrates. Yes, and carbohydrates divided the classification of carbohydrates, which is the first there is the monosaccharides, and second characteristics which is the oligosaccharides, and third one characteristics which is the polysaccharides. Now we discuss the oligosaccharides. Second and important characteristics about the in the carbohydrates, that is the oligo is nothing but there is a few sugar molecules, meaning oligo is few and saccharides that is the sugar. Yes, that they, what is the definition of the oligosaccharides? Definition of the oligosaccharides: if oligosaccharides are the sugar, oligosaccharides are the sugar. It is a type of sugar. Yes, and yield how many? 2 to 10 molecules. 2 to 10 molecules of the monosaccharides. 2 to 10 molecules of the monosaccharides, and that is known as the oligosaccharides. Saccharides on hydrolysis. On hydrolysis. What is the good main characteristics of which is related to the oligosaccharides? That is the main characteristics of the oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides are monosaccharides linked glycosides bond. Oligosaccharides are the monosaccharides linked glycoside bond. And next characteristics about the it is means oligosaccharides are sweet taste. Sweet taste. Oligosaccharides. Next characteristic, it is water soluble. Water soluble. But oligosaccharides are water soluble. Oligosaccharides common oligosaccharides are found inside the maltose, lactose, and sucrose. 1, 2, 3. These are the three important characteristics which present inside the oligosaccharides. We studied that is the but before the three characteristics, we must be know idea about the oligosaccharides are commonly known as the glycoproteins. Glycoproteins means proteins are present inside the oligosaccharides. Yes, so it is known as the glycoproteins because it is the combination of the proteins major. First, the proteins are mixed inside the oligosaccharides. So, oligosaccharides also known as the glycoproteins. Glycoproteins and commonly found inside the polychain of it is commonly found in polychain of polypeptide. Yes, polypeptide. You know that is the simple formula of the oligosaccharides, which may be that is the CH2OH C O. It is O, H and OH. The example of oligosaccharides I should given in this size. Yes, and that is the maltose oligosaccharide formed into two, which may be that maltose and which is the oligosaccharides form. I have given in the diagrammatic representation. Yes, and next characteristic important, that is classification of oligosaccharides. Classification of oligosaccharides. What is the classification of oligosaccharides? Which is classified disaccharides. Disaccharides, number 1. Number 2, trisaccharides. And number 3, which is tetrasaccharides. T-E-T-R-A, tetrasaccharides. These are the 3 major characteristics in the classification. What is meant by the first one? Now we studied the disaccharides. Di means 2. Saccharide means 2 molecules of the sugars. Yes, disaccharides means yield 2 molecules of monosaccharides. 2 molecules of the monosaccharides on hydrolysis. That is known first characteristics in the disaccharides. Next one, it is sweet taste. Sweet taste. And next characteristics, disaccharide is soluble. Where soluble in water. And some biological importance. Biologically, disaccharides are very important because it contain the sucrose, and lactose and maltose. These 3 important characteristics present inside the oligosaccharides. So it is known as biological importance of the oligosaccharides. What is the one by one we studied about the sucrose? Yes, sucrose means that is the cane sugar. C-A-N-E, cane sugar. Sucrose is nothing but the cane sugar. Yes, it is part of the disaccharide. Disaccharide is a part of oligosaccharides. Yes, and oligosaccharides is the part of carbohydrates. Iris types base. Sucrose. Yes, it is disaccharide is commonly known as the cane sugar. Second characteristics commonly is known as the cane sugar, and it is used in the worldwide. It is a very important characteristics in the oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides, it is a food stuff. Majority is used in the food, so it is known as a food stuff. Yes, food stuff and crystalline, crystalline form. What is oligosaccharides? Which is crystalline form, sweeter than the lactose and maltose. Sweet compared to the lactose and maltose, it is the highest sweet. Yes, and next one, which is the after the sucrose, now start the second one, which is the lactose. Number 2, lactose. Yes, what is the characteristics of lactose? Lactose is also known as the milk sugar. It is milk sugar, means lactose majority present inside the milk. Yes, lactose is a part of disaccharides, and disaccharide is part of oligosaccharides. Disaccharides, lactose, it is mammary gland. Formed from the mammary gland of the animals. Yes, and the lactose is less soluble in water. Lactose less soluble in water. Lactose majorly present in the mammals, mammary gland. Present in milk in the mammals. Yes, the secretion of the milk, which is major present, that is the lactose formation. And last third one characteristics, which is the maltose. Malt, M-A-L-T, maltose, T-O-S-E. Third one characteristics. Yes, it is part of the disaccharides. Disaccharides is the part of the oligosaccharides. Yes, commonly known as the malt sugar, M-A-L-T, malt sugar. Malt commonly is known as the malt sugar, and malt sugar present during the digestion of food. During the digestion of the food, yes, and it is found in the less amount. Maltose found in the less amount of the body. On the hydrolysis, it gives glucose unit only. Glucose unit only. Yes, these are the next characteristics from the oligosaccharides. What is the properties of oligosaccharides? Third one, important characteristics. Properties of the oligosaccharides. Important properties as given. Polysaccharides, macromolecules of several units of monosaccharides. That is the first, macromolecules, several unit of the monosaccharide is the first properties. And next properties, high weight, high molecular weight. Next, high molecular weight. Third one, it is sweet in taste. What is property third? It sweet in taste. Yes, and dissolve in water at the boiling point. Boil the water, dissolve. Next properties of the oligosaccharides, and it is branched or unbranched. What is the last one properties? Branched or unbranched form. Do not exhibit the properties in aldehydes, aldehyde and ketone. Do not exhibit the property. At this stage, that is the properties of the. Yes. Now in the chapter we study the definition and its importance. Next, characteristics, that is the classification, and after the classification we study the properties of oligosaccharides. Yes, it is the very important characteristics in the carbohydrates, that is the polysaccharides. Yes, first one, that is the monosaccharide, second one oligosaccharides, and third one which is the polysaccharides. Poly means more than 2 molecules of the sugars. 2 to 10 molecules of the sugar, that is known as the polysaccharides. Yes, on hydrolysis, 2 to 10 molecules on the hydrolysis, that is known as the polysaccharides. What is the important characteristics about the polysaccharides? Yes, non-sugar on the hydrolysis. It regards with the non-sugar on the hydrolysis. It is next one characteristics, which is the simple sugar. Yes, it is the simple sugar regarding the polysaccharides. Simple sugar regarding to the polysaccharides. Yes, and it is polysaccharides are sweet in taste. Sweet in taste. and polysaccharides are insoluble in water and amorphous in nature. Insoluble in water and amorphous in nature. Polysaccharides are formed in the colloidal form. Polysaccharides are formed in the colloidal form and heated with the water. Heat with the water. Okay? Colloidal form and heat with the water. Next one, characteristics. The polysaccharides do not exhibit the characteristics of in the aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. When the several molecules combine in the polysaccharides in the combination. Yes, and polysaccharides are linked glycosides linkage. Yes, and branched chain molecules. Polysaccharides are branched chain molecules. These are the important features about the polysaccharides. Now we discuss the classification of polysaccharides. The simple classification of polysaccharides, which is the number 1, homopolysaccharides, and number 2, which is the heteropolysaccharides. These two major classification present in the polysaccharides. Yes, polysaccharide number 1. Number 1 character. What is the homopolysaccharides? Only one type of monosaccharides. Number 1 character is homopolysaccharides. Only one type of the monosaccharides on hydrolysis. To form the only one molecules of the monosaccharides. Yes, and its example. What is the examples? Its examples: starch. Homo means single. Homo means single. Only one type of molecules of the saccharides in the monosaccharides. That is known as the homopolysaccharides on hydrolysis. Yes, an example: starch. Number 2, glycogen. Number 2 examples: glycogen. And third one, which is the cellulose. This is the best examples. That is the characteristics of the homopolysaccharides. And number 2. What is the number 2? Number 2, heteropolysaccharides. Heteropolysaccharides, mixture of. Hetero means mixture of two molecules of monosaccharides. Two molecules of the monosaccharides on hydrolysis. On the hydrolysis, that is known as the hetero. Yes, hetero. More than two molecules mixture on hydrolysis, and that mixture is known as the heteropolysaccharides. Heteropolysaccharides include the natural sugar. Heteropolysaccharides include the natural sugar, and natural sugar, that is, and mucopolysaccharides. Natural sugar and mucopolysaccharides. Example of the heteroparasite polysaccharides: agar, and heparin. Next example, heparin. These two examples of the heteropolysaccharides. And last one, characteristics from the polysaccharides. What is the important characteristics? Which may be that is the properties of polysaccharides. What is the properties of polysaccharides? Macromolecules of several units. Macromolecules molecules of several units. That is the first properties. And second properties, they do not have sweet taste. Second property, they do not have sweet taste. Third one, it is non-soluble in water. It is non-soluble in water. Most of the water dissolve in boiling water. Important, non-soluble in water but dissolve in the boiling water. Yes, some polysaccharides are soluble in water. Only one, that is the examples, glycogen. Only one, that is glycogen, soluble in the water. Otherwise, it is insoluble in the water. And all the polysaccharides are dissolved in boiling water. These three important characteristics are very important. Number one, it is insoluble in water. Number two, only one, glycogen, soluble in water. And number three, it is dissolved in boiling water. Three characteristics related to the water. Yes, polysaccharides are soluble. Polysaccharides do not exhibit properties of polysaccharide do not exhibit the property of aldehyde. Aldehydes and ketone do not exhibit the properties of aldehydes and ketone. Yes, polysaccharides are branched or sometimes it is unbranched. Both the characteristics, polysaccharides are branched or unbranched. Yes. Next one, mucopolysaccharides have mucus consistency. These are the properties of polysaccharides. And these types we complete the first important article, that is the carbohydrates. Yes, that is the carbohydrates. Last one, it is the polysaccharides.